You walk into a cafe in Mexico. Someone smiles at you and says, "Hola, ¿cómo estás?"
And for just a second, your mind goes completely blank.
You know what hola means. You've heard ¿cómo estás before, but now, in this real moment, you're not sure what to say back.
Do you say good? Do you say fine? How do you say and you back to them?
So you just smile. You nod, and the moment passes.
We've all been there. That moment of hesitation. That feeling of, I should know this, but I'm not sure.
But here's what we want you to know. Greeting someone and asking how they are is one of the simplest, most natural things you can do in Spanish.
And today, we're going to practice it together, slowly, clearly, with time to really hear and understand every word.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to greet someone in Spanish and ask how they are, and you'll understand when someone asks you.
So take a breath. Relax. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen.
Let's begin.
Hola,
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Estoy muy bien, gracias.
Me alegro.
¿Cómo está tu día?
Mi día está bien, tranquilo.
Qué bueno.
Now let's go through that conversation piece by piece. We'll repeat everything, we'll explain what it means, and we'll make sure you really understand.
The first word you heard was hola.
Hola.
This means hello. It's the most common way to greet someone in Spanish.
Hola.
Hola.
You can use this with friends, with strangers, with anyone. It's simple and friendly.
Hola.
Then you heard, ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
This means, how are you?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo means how, estás means you are.
So together, ¿cómo estás means how are you?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
This is how you ask someone how they're doing. It's warm, it's caring, it shows you're interested in the other person.
Then I responded, Estoy bien, gracias.
Estoy bien, gracias.
Let's break this down. Estoy means I am.
Estoy, I am.
Bien means good or well.
Bien, good, well.
Gracias means thank you.
So when you put it all together, estoy bien, gracias. I am well, thank you.
Estoy bien, gracias.
Estoy bien, gracias.
This is the most common response when someone asks how you are.
Then I asked, ¿Y tú?
¿Y tú?
This is a short, friendly way to ask, and you?
Y means and, tú means you.
¿Y tú?
¿Y tú?
This shows that you're also interested in how the other person is doing. It keeps the conversation going.
Then you said, Estoy muy bien.
Estoy muy bien.
Muy means very.
Muy, very.
So, estoy muy bien means I am very well.
Estoy muy bien.
Estoy muy bien.
And then you added one more word, tranquilo.
Tranquilo.
This means calm or peaceful.
Tranquilo.
Tranquilo.
So, when you say, mi día está bien tranquilo, you're saying, my day is good, peaceful.
And finally, I said, qué bueno.
Qué bueno.
This means that's good, or how nice.
Que means what or how. Bueno means good.
Qué bueno. That's good.
Qué bueno.
This is a warm, positive response. It shows you're happy for the other person.
That was the full conversation, and now you understand every single part of it.
Now we want you to practice. We're going to say each phrase, and we want you to repeat it out loud.
Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just try. Just say it.
Ready? Let's start with hola.
Hola.
Good. Now, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Excellent. Now the response. Estoy bien.
Estoy bien.
Now add gracias.
Gracias.
Now together. Estoy bien, gracias.
Estoy bien, gracias.
Perfect. Now, ¿y tú?
¿Y tú?
Great. Now, estoy muy bien.
Estoy muy bien.
Now, me alegro.
Me alegro.
Wonderful. Now, ¿cómo está tu día?
¿Cómo está tu día?
And mi día está bien.
Mi día está bien.
Last one, qué bueno.
Qué bueno.
You did great. You just practiced every key phrase from that conversation.
Now, let's explore some natural variations, because not every conversation is exactly the same.
Sometimes you're feeling great. Sometimes you're feeling okay. Sometimes you're not feeling so good.
And Spanish has simple, natural ways to express all of these.
Let's start with different ways to say you're doing well.
You already know, estoy bien.
Estoy bien. I'm well.
You can also say, estoy muy bien.
Estoy muy bien. I'm very well.
Or you can say, estoy excelente.
Estoy excelente. I'm excellent.
Excelente.
Excelente.
Or, estoy genial.
Estoy genial. I'm great.
Genial.
Genial.
All of these mean you're feeling good. You're doing well.
Now, what if you're feeling just okay? Not great, but not bad either.
You can say más o menos.
Más o menos.
This means so-so, or more or less.
Más o menos.
Más o menos.
This is honest. It's natural. It means you're okay, but maybe not having the best day.
Someone might ask, ¿Cómo estás?
And you respond, más o menos.
Más o menos.
You can also say, estoy regular.
Estoy regular. I'm so-so.
Regular.
Regular.
This also means you're not feeling great, but you're okay.
And if someone asks how you are and you want to keep it simple, you can just say bien.
Bien. Good.
Just one word. Simple and easy.
Bien.
Now let's practice asking the question in a slightly different way.
You already know, ¿cómo estás?
But you can also say, ¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
This is more casual. It's like saying, what's up? Or how's it going?
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
You'll hear this a lot in everyday conversation.
And you can respond the same way. Bien. Muy bien. Más o menos.
All the same responses work.
Let's practice a quick variation. Listen.
Hola. ¿Qué tal?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Muy bien.
Did you hear that? Instead of ¿Cómo estás?, I said ¿Qué tal?
But the rest of the conversation stayed the same.
This is natural. This is how real people speak.
Now we're going to have another conversation. This time, we'll speak a little more naturally.
Not fast, but a little more like a real conversation.
Listen and notice how much you understand now.
Hola, Daniel.
Hola, Emilia. ¿Cómo estás?
Estoy muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué tal?
Estoy genial. Gracias.
Qué bueno, me alegro.
¿Cómo está tu día hoy?
Mi día está bien. Un poco ocupado, pero bien.
Entiendo. Bueno, me alegro de que estés bien.
Gracias. Igualmente.
Did you catch most of that?
You probably understood almost everything.
That's because you've been listening carefully. You've been practicing.
Let's just go over the few new words you heard.
I said, ¿Cómo está tu día hoy?
Hoy means today.
¿Cómo está tu día hoy? How is your day today?
Hoy.
Hoy.
Then I said, un poco ocupado.
Un poco means a little.
Ocupado means busy.
Un poco ocupado. A little busy.
Un poco ocupado.
Then I said, entiendo.
Entiendo means I understand.
Entiendo.
Entiendo.
And then I said, me alegro de que estés bien.
This is a longer phrase. It means, I'm glad that you're well.
Me alegro de que estés bien.
You don't need to use this phrase yet, but it's good to recognize it.
And finally, you said, igualmente.
Igualmente means likewise or same to you.
Igualmente.
Igualmente.
This is a polite, warm way to return a greeting or a wish.
Before we finish, let's give you a few more useful phrases for greetings.
These are phrases you'll hear often in real conversations.
If someone says something nice to you, like, qué bueno, you can respond, gracias.
Gracias. Thank you.
Or you can say, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.
If you want to say goodbye after greeting someone, you can say hasta luego.
Hasta luego. See you later.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Or you can say, nos vemos.
Nos vemos. We'll see each other.
Nos vemos.
These are natural, friendly ways to end a conversation.
And if someone wishes you well, like que tengas un buen día, you can say igualmente
Igualmente. Likewise.
or tú también.
Tú también. You too.
Tú también.
These small phrases make your conversations feel warm and natural.
You just spent time listening to real Spanish greetings, slowly, clearly, with time to understand.
And now you know how to greet someone in Spanish.
You can say, hola,
You can ask, ¿Cómo estás?
or ¿qué tal?
You can respond, Estoy bien, gracias.
Or muy bien.
Or even, más o menos.
You can ask back, ¿y tú?
And you can understand when someone asks about your day.
This is real progress. This is how you build confidence in Spanish.
Not by memorizing grammar rules, but by listening, by hearing how real people speak.
And the more you listen, the more natural it becomes.
Your brain starts to recognize these phrases automatically.
You stop translating in your head. You just understand.
That's the power of listening practice.
In our next video, we're going to practice another everyday conversation, introducing yourself.
You'll learn how to say your name, where you're from, and ask others the same questions.
Same style, slow, clear, real conversation.
So make sure you watch that next.
Keep listening, keep practicing. You're doing great.
We'll see you in the next video.
Hasta luego.
Adios.